Okay, so really quickly, I'm going to show you how to actually create a turtlet in Python. Turtles are really useful when you get used to using them. They're great for actually doing artificial intelligence. So this is the foundation of some pretty good Python stuff. Okay, first thing we need to do is we need to save this new window. And I'm just going to call it shapes.py. And I'm going to import a turtle. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a variable called wn and make it a turtle.screen. This will give me a place for the turtle to exist in. Okay, and then I'm going to create a new variable called Alex, and I'm going to make this turtle.turtle. What we end up with there is a turtle called Alex, and we can talk to Alex later on. Now, at the bottom, we're just going to do wn.exit on click, and this will give me just a little place for Alex to live. Okay, very quickly then, what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to actually run this so you can see Alex come into existence. Okay, and as you see, got a little Alex in the middle of the screen. That's our turtle. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to say alex.forward and give him 50 pixel movement, and then alex.right, and I'm going to get him to turn 90 degrees. Again, run it. There we go. Alex has gone forward and then he's turned 90 degrees. Now, what you can do is, if you just did that 4 times, Alex makes a square. And that's it. That's basically how easy it is to create your first little turtle on Python. Now, as you go through these little videos, I'll show you how to be a bit more clever, really, about the way that this works, so that you're not ending up doing forward, right, but can use a for loop to make it work a lot better and control it with a variable. That'll be in your next one. But do you know what? Play around with this for now. Play around with distance and turning right different degrees and the number of times you do it to create different shapes.